Artificial Intelligence, Principles and Applications Lecture Number 5, Knowledge Representation. This chapter discusses the idea in knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. Data represents unorganized and unprocessed facts and figures. Usually data is static in nature with a set of discrete facts about events. It simply exists and has no significance beyond its existence. Information is processed data. Data that has been interpreted so that it has meaning for the user. Information can be considered as an aggregation of data which makes decision-making easier. Knowledge is human understanding of a subject matter that has been acquired through proper study and experiences. Knowledge is usually built by learning, thinking and proper understanding of the problem area. It can be considered as the integration of human perceptive process that helps them to draw meaningful conclusion. Wisdom is the ability of human being to judge between right and wrong or good and bad. Wisdom is an understanding and realizing of people, things, events or situations, resulting in the capability to choose or find an alternative to constantly create the best results within a minimum time. Knowledge is defined as expertise and skills acquired by a person through experience or education, the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. The kind of knowledge which needs to be represented in artificial intelligence systems are objects, events, performance, meta-knowledge, facts and knowledge base. The objects are facts in a domain of real world. For example, a car has wheels. The actions which occur in our world are events. For example, drive a car. Knowledge about how to do things is understood from performance. For example, good mileage for the car. Meta-knowledge is knowledge about a pre-selected knowledge or what we know. For example, Jimny is an upcoming car from Suzuki. The truth about real-world representation is called as facts. For example, Rolls-Royce is a luxurious car. Knowledge management is a set of strategies and practices used in an organization to identify, create and represent, distribute and enable adoption of insights and experience. Knowledge management emerged as a scientific discipline in 1990s. Knowledge management is desirable to address this question after developing some concepts regarding knowledge. Symbolic representation is a discrete unit expressed in formal languages. Subsymbolic representation cannot be the single symbols stored in a form of information. The hybrid systems involving both types of knowledge representation. Declarative representation of knowledge are facts like objects and events that we have to observe in the environment. For example, I am a human or the sun shining. The procedural knowledge represents the skills or rules we use to operate with and reason using facts. For example, if John is a human then John has 2 legs. Declarative knowledge is to know about something with concepts, facts, and objects. The knowledge is represented independently from the mechanisms that will use it as declarative knowledge. This gives a control in adequate use of the knowledge performed by means of general-purpose heuristics that determine the best way to use the knowledge. This means the use of knowledge about the control that guides solving mechanism. For example, information about the students in a department. It is useful to structure the knowledge hierarchically. The goal is to represent the knowledge as a graph or a tree and to use generalization and specialization goal. In this example, the nodes are concepts/classes, the edges are relations with is a relation or instance of relation. The reasoning mechanism is the inheritance of properties and values of simple/multiple inheritance or default values. Inheritance is a powerful form of inference, but it is not the only useful form. Sometimes all the power of traditional logic is necessary to describe the inferences that are needed. The knowledge is described using logic, the semantics of the logic connectives and inference mechanisms. The machine uses this knowledge when it executes the code to perform a task. This knowledge includes control information in its representation and/or specific procedures needed to use it. The knowledge is defined as algorithms that allow to infer new knowledge from facts. This kind of knowledge is computationally more efficient, but it is more difficult to obtain new knowledge from it, and it is complex to acquire/modify. First, we need to finalize on the types of knowledge that need to be represented in artificial intelligence systems as objects, events, performance, and meta-knowledge. Basically, 4 properties are needed to process a good system for the representation of knowledge in a particular domain. Representational adequacy is the ability to represent all kinds of knowledge that are needed in a domain. It is how facts about the world can be represented in data structures. These all can be represented as a string, but it is harder than to manipulate and draw conclusions. Inferential adequacy is an ability to formulate the representational structures in such a way as to derive a new structure corresponding to new knowledge inferred from old. It is come up with solutions to complex problems using the represented knowledge. Inferential adequacy refers to how easy it is to draw inferences using represented knowledge. Inferential efficiency is the ability to incorporate knowledge structure with additional information that can be used to focus the attention of inference mechanism in most promising directions. Acquisition efficiency is the ability to acquire new knowledge using automatic methods wherever possible rather than confidence on human intervention. It must allow to incorporate new knowledge to the representation easily. A large amount of knowledge and some mechanism for manipulating that knowledge is the key of problem solving. The basic goal of knowledge representation is to assist inference from knowledge. The issues arise while many knowledge-based techniques are used in a single problem. Important attributes and relationships among attributes are 2 issues. Other 3 issues are choosing the granularity of representation, representing sets of objects, and find the right structure. It is the simplest way of storing facts, which uses the relational method, and each fact about a set of the object is set out systematically in columns. This approach of knowledge representation is famous in database systems where the relationship between different entities is represented. Contents of knowledge base is part of cognitive model, and some models hypothesize multiple knowledge bases. A knowledge base is a type of database for knowledge management. The knowledge base contains means for information to be collected, organized, shared, searched, and utilized. The knowledge base has facts, rules, and its connected relations. There are general facts which are known to all. Such facts are stored in knowledge base. The facts and rules are stated in a formal language by which it can connect each other when problem solving encounters. This is generally some form of predicate calculus. For a practical side, in order to perform their desired tasks, medical experts require access to knowledge about their domains. Figure shows an example of relationship, facts, and representation schemes with respect to knowledge base. There are mainly 2 types of knowledge base that are essentially closed or open information repositories. Machine-readable knowledge bases and human-readable knowledge bases are these 2. You may please check the exercise in this chapter for understanding the improvements.